The best MacBook Pro laptop is a beautifully versatile machine, as capable of productivity tasks as editing videos. We're big fans of the Apple MacBook Pro. Apple's professional laptop line has smashed the benchmarks from speed tests to battery life. For most people, we find the MacBook Pro M4 will offer everything you need from a modern Apple laptop. It's compact, well-built, and beautifully designed. Running flawlessly, this highly portable model delivers incredible performance for a range of tasks, from productivity to content creation, while boasting one of the best screens you can find on a laptop, period. Even the older M1 chips offer outstanding experiences. We've created a full roundup for you. Each model featured has been extensively benchmarked by our team. The Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch. The best MacBook Pro overall is the Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch with the latest M4 series chips, which offers outstanding, best-in-class performance while getting fantastic battery life and features the best display of any MacBook ever. Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch M2, the best MacBook Pro on a budget. While the 13-inch MacBook Pro from 2022 might not be as powerful as the newest 2024 14-inch or 16-inch models, it still packs a good performance punch, especially for its price and size. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch M4 Max, the best premium MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro 16-inch M4 Max is Apple's most powerful, feature-rich, and largest MacBook Pro on the market. Expect staggeringly impressive performance using this one. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch M3 Max, the best MacBook Pro with the M3 chip. Looking for an M3-powered MacBook Pro? This one comes equipped with the exceptional M3 Pro or M3 Max chip, delivering incredible performance and that gorgeous display too. The best MacBook Pro with M2 chip, Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch. Early 2023 MacBook Pro 14-inch isn't as powerful as the M3 series models released later that same year, but it's still a fantastic performer that you'll really like and find on sale. The best entry-level MacBook Pro, Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch M1. The MacBook Pro 14-inch with M1 Pro might be harder to find than newer models, but if you can find this powerhouse on clearance, it'll be well worth the effort. While the MacBook Air is a fantastic laptop, it really isn't geared for the highest level of creative professionals, so it might not have the memory, storage, and processing power that you'll need for the top-end creative workflows. If you need to do serious creative content work, or if you need a machine that will stand the test of time, and you're willing to invest a bit more than a MacBook Air, the MacBook Pro is the way to go. If this is the case, pair it with the best monitors for MacBook Pro for the absolute in color fidelity, expanding your digital workspace to an even larger display. Just note how many displays your MacBook can natively push to, and grab one of the best docking stations to expand your ports and monitor capabilities. Finding the best MacBook Pro model gear isn't as straightforward a question as it might seem. The MacBook Pro 14-inch with an M4 series chip is our top pick, but an M2 Max MacBook Pro is going to outperform an M3 or M3 Pro chip, even though these were released more recently. It all depends on your performance needs and your budget, since older models might be cheaper than current models while still giving you the level of performance you need. We're still seeing some people who are loving their M1 series MacBook Pros, and only now, with the release of the M4, are they even considering an upgrade. It's truly up to you and your needs, budget, and current deals going on. The MacBook Pro notoriously runs for quite some time, so don't feel like just because a new model dropped that your previous generation is going to bite the dust anytime soon. The two key factors to keep in mind when choosing a MacBook Pro is price and performance. Since the designs and displays of each MacBook Pro on our list are similar enough that you won't find much difference there, only slight differences in design, port offering, transfer speeds, and specs.